Hi, in this video I'm going to take you through the launch of WebsiteMike.com. I'm Website Mike and I just bought WebsiteMike.com on GoDaddy. So if you're in that same situation where you've just bought a domain on GoDaddy or a different registrar, then you'll be able to follow along just fine and see how we go from purchasing a domain to launching a website. We're going to do this in about 10 minutes. It's very easy and straightforward, but if you have any questions at all, please feel free to email me at mike@websitemike.com. All right, let's go.
So we'll start off on google.com and just head over to godaddy.com. Go ahead and sign in if you already have an account. Create an account if you don't have one. So I'm going to sign in, and I have already purchased websitemike.com. And here it is listed down here. What I'm going to be doing is adjusting the DNS servers. It's kind of like the address. There's this error, so there's another way to get to the DNS settings if that's not working. Just click on the website, scroll down to manage DNS, and here are the name servers that are GoDaddy's name servers. We're going to change these to the name servers of our hosting service. So hosting is an absolute requirement for a website to work. It's where your website is going to be located. It's probably the one thing you really have to pay for to get a website up on the internet. SiteGround is the best that I've found, and I use. A lot of people that I know use them as well, and if you do your research, you'll probably be convinced as well that SiteGround is the best choice for the price, especially $5.95 a month for an unlimited number of websites that you can start up. They give you 20 gigabytes of web space for those websites, so it's plenty of space. So go ahead and click on Get Plan and put in all of your purchase details and log into your account. It will look like this. So click then on Websites. And I already have 2 websites that I've created. You won't have these in your account. You'll just have this Add New Site button. You can click here. You can also click up here on New Website. Just going to click there for convenience. And at this point, you can purchase a new domain here, or you can select an existing domain that you already have, like on GoDaddy, or that you've purchased on another registrar. And there's this other temporary domain option, which doesn't, it's not part of this video. But so click on existing domain and enter the domain that you're going to use for this website you're creating on SiteGround. This is going to be Website Mike, and what it's telling me here in this error box is that, or info box, is that I need to have access to the DNS settings in order to make all of this work. So what we'll go ahead and do is we're going to start a new website. We're going to start a new WordPress website. You can put in whatever details you want. And then go ahead and continue. I need to enter a valid email address. Okay, I understand now. Okay. So when I click finish here, you don't need to pay for this site scanner. You can just click finish. If you want to, you can pay for it, and it'll just keep an eye on any sort of hacking attempts, any sort of malware. It takes a minute for the website to spin up, but once it's ready, it's going to have its own name server settings that we're going to copy and paste from SiteGround back into GoDaddy. We're going to paste them here, and that's going to connect these two. So it's taking a little longer than usual. Let's just click back here to websites. Here it is. So manage. Let's see, site tools. Here are the name servers we're going to use. So we can copy and then paste them here into GoDaddy. We're going to enter our own name server settings there. Part 1, copy and paste part 2, save. Okay, so this is going to go ahead and take a minute to process. But coming back to this website that we created here, let's go ahead and look at websitemike.com. Okay, so WordPress has now been installed on websitemike.com, and GoDaddy is directing people to it. And the next step is going to be to actually jump into the back end of the website here. Type in /wp-admin. And then no. It's this. Can log in now. Okay, so this is a WordPress plugin that SiteGround automatically installed onto our WordPress, our WordPress backend. So to disable it, we're going to click on plugins and deactivate the WordPress starter. We'll leave the SiteGround Optimizer plugin active. The next step is going to be to install a new theme. To do so, hover over Appearance, click on Themes, and add a new theme. Specifically, we're looking for Ocean WP. All right, there it is. Click Install, Activate. And we can see that this theme recommends some additional plugins. It recommends Elementor and Ocean Extra. So we'll go ahead and click on Elementor first. Click on Install Now. And we'll click on Ocean Extra and Install Now. Then we need to activate those plugins. So click on Plugins, then come to the list of plugins and click on Activate for each of those. All right, we're going to skip this setup. We don't need that. Okay, so the next step is going to be to install some template web pages. To do so, click on Add New Page. First thing we're going to do is add a home page. We need to change the content layout to 100% full width and also disable the title of the page. We don't want that showing. We published it. It's now live. And we want to edit it with Elementor. So this is the front end drag and drop page builder. All right, so we're looking at the front end of the page, of the home page. And instead of the plus sign, click on the folder sign here. This is a folder that's full of different templates so we can easily use. Let's just use the restaurant page. Okay, looks pretty good. Insert. We need to connect to the library. So just all you have to do is click connect. Okay, so now it's dropped in that template. And this up here is where your logo will be dropped in. You can also change this. If you don't have a logo, you can just change this text to match your business text. So click on Update to save the changes on this page, then the hamburger icon, and click on Exit to Dashboard. And now to adjust that logo, click on Customize. Site identity, and here you can see that you can change the website. I'm going to go ahead and publish this. The other thing I'm going to want to do here is change the homepage settings so that the homepage displays a static page. And I want the homepage to display the homepage that I created with the restaurant template. I'll go ahead and publish this. Now when we go to websitemike.com, there we go. Now the next steps would be to create more pages, like an About Us page, a contact page, and then create a menu up here and put it all together, and then adjust all of this content to match with my business.
Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you found it helpful. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me, mike@websitemike.com. And if you'd like to discuss actually working together, you can send a request to set up a time to talk through websitemike.com as well. All right. Have fun building your website, and looking forward to talking again with you guys soon. Bye.